So we just have to jump straight into the particular tutorial of today. So in this particular tutorial, we'll be using Binance for all this particular tutorial. So as you can take a look at this, my Binance account right now, you will literally see some amount right now. So this particular figures is literally the particular money I'm using for Binance spot trading. Now, I will literally show you how I spot the particular cryptocurrency that will do good, and then I can literally go ahead and buy it on spot trading on Binance right here. So I have literally accumulated 4 USDT just by doing this particular process by using a specific cryptocurrency, buying it on the spot trading on Binance, and then selling it out so that I can make profit. I'm using 60 USDT. That's how I literally accumulate enough USDT right here available on Binance right now. Okay, you can also see use 100 USDT, but for this particular tutorial, I will simulate it by using 100 USDT right here. So I'll be referring to this particular wallet so that you guys can actually see everything is actually real. Okay, let's just begin now. Just go straight to Exchanger right now. You must have to create an account right here on Bybit. Make sure you verify your account right here. So just go ahead and click on trade right now. Search for this particular cryptocurrency right here. Make sure you search on it. Now, just go ahead and buy the particular cryptocurrency right now as at this particular price available right here. Okay, so just buy it with 100 USDT. You'll be getting this. Let me say you can also see buy it with 50 USDT right here. You'll be getting this. Now, for this simulation purpose right here, we'll be using 100 USDT. So before I can actually continue from here, just make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe so that this particular video will be recommended for more people. Okay, so now just make sure you know that this particular tutorial is just for educational purpose, not a financial advice right now. And I'm not responsible for your losses or your gain right here or your profit yet, because cryptocurrency is volatile. It can go up at any time, it can come down at any time. Okay, so the time that you are watching this video right now, it might be that time this particular method is not working. That is crypto for you. Now let me just share it for you. I'm simulating everything for you right now. So subscribing to the YouTube channel is very important. Help the YouTube channel grow. Okay, now just go ahead and proceed with 100 USDT, just as I'm also going to be doing it right now simultaneously. Then you'll be getting this particular amount of token right here. So go ahead and click on accept, click on control withdrawal right here. Then go ahead and search for the particular cryptocurrency right now, which is RPL right here. So take a look at it. Just go straight to this particular place. Ignore this right now. Check the network first. So the network will be this, which is Ethereum, and they will be charging 0.4% for the network fees. So what you just have to do, just for you to go straight to this particular cryptocurrency exchanger right here, this one. Make sure you go ahead and verify your accounts right here before any other thing. So make sure your own account is verified just like this. Okay, so what you just have to do, just for you to go ahead and click on trade right here. Search for the particular cryptocurrency again in this particular spot trading right here. You get to get it right now and take a look at it. The particular cryptocurrency is selling at this particular price. Okay, so now let me say I'll be selling it at this particular price right here, and then I just have to go ahead and click on this particular asset firstly, and then click on add funds, then click on deposits right here. Then just make sure you go ahead and search for the particular cryptocurrency on deposit side, which is PL right here. Take a look at it, click on it right now. Then just go ahead and click on the particular cryptocurrency blockchain. Copy this right now. Go straight to your Binance, and then go ahead and paste it right here. Then select the particular cryptocurrency exchanger. Select the particular cryptocurrency network right here. Then just go ahead and hit on withdraw after you have literally put in the particular amount that you literally want to withdraw from this particular Binance right here. Then just go ahead and hit on withdraw right now. So after then you get the money available right now in this crypto exchanger right here. So what you have to do is just for you to go ahead and wait for it a while, and then go ahead and sell it out on this particular cryptocurrency exchanger right here. Now you will be selling out this particular amount of token right here. So take a look at it. If you are using 100 USDT, you'll be getting 80 USDT just for profit. So if you can minus your network fees and the particular spot trading fee, you can end up getting 4 USDT as the profit. Let's say you do this 4 to 5 times a day, you'll be getting enough money from all this. So now that you have literally know all this, I will still tell you, make sure you hit on that subscribe button, because right now I'll literally show you how you can navigate Binance and then spot this particular cryptocurrency, make money with it just by buying it right here and then selling it out in other cryptocurrency. So if you are wondering how I literally get all this particular cryptocurrency update where it is selling on the low price signals and on the higher price signals, here it is, which is Arbitrage scanner. That is what I usually use. So I'll drop the link on the video description right here. Okay, this is a particular Arbitrage scanner right here. Okay, now you can just go ahead and sign up an account. Make sure you pay for plan. If you pay for a particular plan right here on this particular Arbitrage scanner, you have the full opportunity to literally get a daily signals on where to buy crypto on a low price and where to sell crypto on a higher price. So this is actually a disclaimer. I'm not sponsored by them, so I'm just using it. I found it, I'm just using it. Yes. So if you don't want to use it, you can leave it. So there's a disclaimer right here that yes, I'm not responsible for anything right here because it's not my own. I'm just recommending it just for recommendation sake. Right now, I'll literally end this video right here.